Magandang hapon po ng May 4, 2024 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng May 4, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, May 4, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for May 4, 2024 Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 43 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 jackpot price estimates is 32.5 million pesos for May 4, 2024 Saturday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for May 4, 2024 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.